992 Turbo S convertible. Hello, I'm Gustav, GTBOARD. I have a habit. I want to check all possible variants of 992 Turbo S coupe and convertible. What's kind of unique with this one is not the goldish iridium or whatever name is, it's the red top. I actually think it looks pretty nice. But does it have red leather interior? Yes. I'm not a fan of red, otherwise it's like maybe light red and red just everywhere. Instrument panel, everything. This is like, you don't want to go all out, it's a little bit brave. And this is painted, these are painted. It doesn't even have, yeah, he has red stitching, but no leather here. Chipped out a bit. If I should be mean, but this is painted, so it's somewhat nice, but not like spectacularly nice, I would say. But something with a red top that I really like.